Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to check your RAM brand, model and serial number. Go to your any browser, search for CPU Z, go to your site and scroll down for downloading. I will download zip file, but you can download either setup file. Click download now. After downloading, go to the downloads folder and unzip file. Go to the folder and run application. Now go to the speed tab on the program. As you see, there is a RAM slot at the left side. I have 4 slots. For example, at my first slot there is Corsair Vengeance LPX. There is DRAM manufacturer and part number. If this video was helpful, please like video and subscribe my channel.